Hiya, welcome back. So this is the first video of the June 2022 paper one. So this paper one is for all core maths students. So let's get into it. Scrolling down, our first question, part A. Rashid is collecting data about cars in a car park. Who wouldn't? That's obviously lots of people's favorite pastime. Draw a line from each variable on the left to the type of data that it is. So the amount of time each car is in the car park. So time is quantitative because it's a quantity. And because it can be rounded, it's continuous. It can take any value. It could be 1 minute, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 seconds, and so many milliseconds. So that is a continuous piece of data. The make of each car. Now, the make will be a word, which makes it qualitative, and it's also discrete, like so. And then finally, the number of people in each car when it arrives. So that's a number, that's going to be quantitative, and people, we don't tend to count half people, quarter people, etc. So that's going to be a discrete value. I can't think of an example of a qualitative and continuous piece of data, but if you can, please can you put it in the comments and we'll have a laugh about that. Okay, on to 1B. There's just 5 marks here, picked up 3 of them. Rob wants to find out what students and staff think about the parking at his college. The table shows information about the students and staff. Rob decides to take a stratified sample. In fact, I looked at a previous paper and stratified came up in that one as well. Rob decides to take a stratified sample of 80 people from these groups of students and staff. Work out the number of male students aged 19 plus, which is that one there. It should be in the sample. So we're going to add all of the numbers up. So we're going to add all 6 of these up to find out how many people are using that car park. And once you've added it up, it's 1,140. Now, if we wanted to work out what fraction of people from the whole sample were students that were male, that were aged 19 plus, we'd do 129 out of 1140. And then we multiply by the number that we want in the sample in order to get that distribution shrunk down, I suppose. So we'd put that into our calculator and we get 9.05. I'm just going to put that into my calculator again. I'm working off my notes today to make sure I minimize my mistakes. In fact, it does go on to 2631579, but we would then round that down to 9 people. And that people is question 1. I'll see you next time for question 2.